Cracking, guys, welcome to another video. Have you ever been driving through traffic and just seen some crazy accident? Or how about in a parking lot and then you're just like, what are you doing? Or how about this one? How about you're on the freeway and somebody hits you? How do you prove that? How do you just sit there and be like, no dude, you came in to me? These things are happening every single day, and it's not just for the memes, guys. I really think everyone needs to be able to just like prove that these things are actually happening so that when you deal with insurance, you have some proof in your court. You know what I mean? And that's why I think every single person needs something like this in their car. All right, guys, and this is what I've been talking about this whole time. Due to me wanting this for a very, very long time, but never actually pulling the trigger. So a combination of me talking about it a bunch and the NSA, someone actually hit me up, and that is Peztio car dash cam. And I'm super juiced to actually do this because I'm not just trying to show you guys this because cool, hey, someone sent me this. This is actually something I've wanted for a really, really long time. So I'm actually really happy I have this. It's 1080p. It's got motion sensing, loop recording, built-in speakers, and a built-in microphone. So it's got everything you need in one little box. So I'm going to show you what's in this box, and then we're going to put it in my car, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I genuinely think everybody should have one of these in their car, because if you drive a modified car or you commute, there is just craziness going on right now in the highways. And if you don't have a way to defend yourself, it's your word against theirs. And honestly, dude, if they win, you're going to be really upset. So the best thing you could do is have one of these in your car. Let's dig into this. All right, guys, right off the bat, we've got this box. I opened it up right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. Boom, we've got the dash cam right here. This actually looks pretty cool. It's got a cool lens, kind of looks like a mini Blackmagic cinema camera, but obviously I don't think it's a Blackmagic cinema camera, right? So we got a lens cover right here, full HD 1080p. We've got some buttons. You will need a SD card, so luckily I have one of those. And then, yeah, it looks cool. It's got a cool hot shoe. We got HDMI, we got USB, we got more buttons here. Don't know what those do yet, but we'll figure this out. All right, so we continue going in here. We've got some cables. We've got a 90-degree, looks like a cool 90-degree HDMI cable right here. Oh, I think this is a rear backup camera too, or not a backup camera, but a rear camera, so you can put that into the back of your car. It looks like you got a lot of cable to run that. I don't know if we'll test this today, but I might put this in the front so we can at least check the quality out. So that's cool for that. And then here we go. All right, this plugs into your cigarette lighter deal right here. We got a 90-degree USB. Heads up, there's no extra USB charger on this. I actually have a Bluetooth transmitter, like an FM transmitter, so that actually will have to take the place of this. So I might have to actually get a different way to plug this in. Unless I have like a rear, unless I or you have a rear cigarette lighter, maybe you can, you know, do Bluetooth from back there. I'm just talking out loud for myself, but that's cool. That's how this is gonna get powered. So cool there. And then we got this cool little suction cup right here. Oh, plugs into the hot shoe on the top here. So yeah, I think this literally pops into the top. Literally goes in one way. It's flat here and it's cut over here. So it could only go in, boom, like that. Pretty snug. Boom, and then this will plug right into your windshield just like this. And then everything else you got in here, you got some instructions on how to run it. This looks like it wants you to run it through your A-pillar, or, you know, I guess these are A-pillars, yeah, on either side. Kind of just shows you what's in it. User manual, that's cool. And then you just got some can't stop loop recording. We've got this rear view camera installation. We just got some extra little cards here. So that's cool. That's it for the unboxing for the most part. But as you guys can see, check this out. It's the Peztio car dash cam. I'm actually, like I said, I'm super juiced for this because I always wanted a dash cam. Talk about things you want in front of your phone long enough. It might just pop up. Let's get into the install. Alright guys, I wanted to just jump ahead and show you guys the in-car footage because I think this is actually something you guys are more interested in than how to install this. If you guys saw the unboxing, you can kind of tell how easy it is. You literally have power on the top, you put the suction cup to your windshield. You can put it behind the rear view mirror. That's what I did here. And then you can just go ahead and get going. As soon as you turn your car on, it'll start recording. There is onboard audio, so as you guys can tell, if you have a loud exhaust, you're going to hear that as well, but the ambient sounds, you're going to pick those up. You don't actually need that. The video is really what we're going for here. So in this first clip, you can kind of see this is really early in the morning, about 7 or 8 a.m. So you have plenty of light. I know the windshield's dirty, but you can still see plenty of detail all around. During the day, this is actually a fairly good camera. I'm actually pretty excited about this. This next clip is actually part of the afternoon, so at this point it's 6, 7 in the afternoon. The sun is fairly down. The video is actually starting to decay a little bit, but you can kind of tell you have plenty of detail. There's still plenty of light out to really see what's going on. So still pretty impressive for the price, and you can kind of get a good look of what's going on around you as you're driving. At this point in time, it's about 10 o'clock at night. You're at night. You have basically ambient lighting from other cars and the street lights. It's still plenty of light, which is actually pretty impressive. To be honest with you, you just have the car on and you're driving around. You still have a lot of light here. It's pretty interesting to know that, if you're driving around at night, you'll be able to see enough around you. I think I have a clip I'll throw in right now about how dark it is on a completely dark road with no lights, and you can kind of see what that's like. It's still enough light with your headlights to catch what's going on. Overall, I'm pretty impressed for the price. If you guys are interested in this dash cam, I would definitely pick it up. Really simple install, and to be honest, you really need to protect yourself. If you guys are interested in this, absolutely pick one up. I have the link in the description below. Definitely check it out. It's worth the time to protect yourself. Thanks for watching, guys.